What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be going over Newegg Commerce. Ticker symbol NEGG. This stock is absolutely exploding in the market today, and as we can see, it's up almost 150% on the day, which is insane. This company recently became public, late rather, 2020. And it's been a penny stock ever since, but it's slowly been growing over the past few months, staying at a relatively healthy price point of around $10-11 up until recently, where it completely spiked, skyrocketing this past week. As we can see, it's had some pretty good run-ups, and when it really exploded, it drove a lot of attention to it. It's one of the most talked about stocks on Wall Street Bets right now because of how much it's trending. And this stock is very volatile, so you have to be careful when playing Newegg Commerce. So the first spike earlier in the week was due to the news that Newegg is receiving shipments of graphics cards from NVIDIA, and they're going to be offering them in a lottery style, just randomly selecting users. So this is going to help prevent scalpers from getting their hands on these graphics cards, because then if all the scalpers end up getting all the inventory, most of the regular users won't be able to get their hands on any of these graphics cards. So that is why Newegg Commerce is doing that lottery method, is to more fairly distribute their products to their customers. And Newegg is a pretty big computer parts company. They offer the best prices on computer parts, PC components, laptops, desktops, gaming systems, you name it. So this is a great company, and a lot of people do use this company for a lot of PC parts. So you have to be careful now. Now today it exploded because they're offering on-demand assembly of custom PCs, similar to what CyberPower does. They build their PCs and then they ship it directly to your doorsteps, which is pretty good. Personally, I'm in the need for a new computer, so I may be looking into this service as well. And I know a lot of people are also looking to upgrade their computer situation as well. So it's a great opportunity for Newegg Commerce, and as well as the stock, as we can see here. Intraday, it's been very volatile, hitting all-time highs of around almost $80 before kind of tapering off and settling at just under $60 on the day. But it's still a pretty big move. And early in the morning, it did have a few halts, just because there's so much trading volume today. As we can see, the volume was 76 million compared to the historical average, which is around 10 million. So lots of volume, and it's very volatile. Implied volatility is very high. So if you're going to be playing options on this stock, it's going to be very, very risky, and I highly recommend you don't buy any options, just because implied volatility is around 500%. If you check out the call options, everything is insanely high. Most of the options are in the money right now, so we have to wait until these brokerages come out with some new strike prices to adjust the pricing based on the stock price. So if we take a look at some of these options, we can see implied volatility is very, very high, 300%. For these call options, and a lot of people are also buying these put options, and put options are at a very high premium. A lot of people think that it's overextending. 150% in a day is insane. And if you can see here, implied volatility for these put options are over 500%. So a lot of people are buying these put options. So if you are bearish on this stock, you want to be careful buying put options. I highly recommend you do not, because of how high the implied volatility is, which means that the premiums for these contracts are going to be really high as well. So if you want to play Newegg Commerce, it's better to sell options or do some credit spreads to capitalize on the higher premium. That would be the ideal strategy, rather than buying these options. You're most likely going to lose money. So regardless of what happens, I think that over the next few days, Newegg Commerce is going to a little die down, and then implied volatility, of course, is going to go down, and the premiums on all of the options contracts is going to go down as well. So That's my thoughts. If you guys would like a video on the best options to play on a stock like this, that with insane high implied volatility, please leave a comment down below. I would be more than happy to make a video going over the best options plays. I personally am going to be playing Newegg Commerce, personally selling options in the next few days because to take advantage of this high implied volatility. So leave a comment down below if you want to see a video going over the best options plays for the stock. And of course, like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new here to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.